amazing what 2 years looks like when I go back to old footage. I found some stuff that I really want everybody to see where I started off with making this video content, so enjoy this old stuff. I'll talk more in a bit. No balls. I am not a smart man. It is 2 in the morning, so there's a little tripod with an umbrella. I have to film this thing. Today's Christmas Eve, technically 2 a.m. Christmas Eve morning. I have an 8-year-old, so I gotta make this Christmas special. Time to start filming. Bad stuff.
The crowded streets calling Christmas time. The ones we meet wear the warmest smile. And from far away we hear bells that chime, stating Santa won't be late. And deep.
Soaked my freaking shoes jumping over this river. It's now or never, I guess. It's dumping balls. Christmas Eve. What are you gonna do? I don't know why, it always seems like the best work I ever do is in the most inconvenient times, and I can never capture it. It's just this law that says the cooler the work, the less time I have to photograph, video, anything like that. But it's out there, I know it's out there. I just don't have any evidence.
It's a time for joy, it's a time for peace. Let's give a voice to the ones in need. Let us say a prayer that this Christmas time bring the best of all in us. And deep in our hearts we will carry a song heard through the ages from angels on high. Let us gather round, for it's Christmas time. A merry sound and the stars alight. Let us all rejoice when it's Christmas time, and our hope again made new.
Since I couldn't get shots last night while it was dumping rain, just woke up early, so I'm gonna drive just to a different little spot. So we're gonna mix it up. I hate shooting in front of my place.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow.
Last thing I gotta do is throw the remote start kit. So this is the little goodie bag from Car Kit Company. And after that's all in, we'll be done.
In a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Seriously sit through that whole thing. It was so old. I shot all of that on my iPhone 6s. I think it's just a good example of like how you can do cool stuff with crappy equipment and without being prepared and without being good at it. Like I sucked, I had low energy. I just wasn't used to talking to a camera, and I definitely know that the quality is so different on a phone than it is on a regular DSLR, but some of those shots were dope, right? So I guess this is encouragement for anybody else. You don't need anything special. I had a talk with one of the guys that runs a local tint company out here called Black Market Window Tint. Check out these dope cards. Black Market Window Tint. Guy's totally good on camera. He likes to talk. He's got a lot of information to put out there. And I told him yesterday, like, bro, just put your content out there. Just build a YouTube channel and go nuts. Because even if you suck, because you're going to, it's going to get better. I just think that everybody should be putting content out there if you've got a small business. I want to help people do that too. So that's going to be something that I'm working on more in the future. And more than anything, I want to show some of the old footage to kind of do a bounce back and forth between now and then. Meanwhile, Kristen hooked it up. Good thing my wife doesn't watch the channel because she's gonna give me all this credit for rapping beautifully, and it was totally Kristen the whole time. So I'm excited to get to go home, have a Christmas day that is just nothing but family, and a Christmas Eve that is not working on GTRs. So I will say this, I'm just super behind. I'm always super behind. That's why I stopped offering service for people that call in. Lots of people have been calling in. Lots of people have been being told, sorry dude, I'm just not offering custom service anymore. Some people are upset, some people are mad that projects like that aren't already on their car, and I get it. I'm just super committed to the content. So at this point, I don't know what it's gonna look like in the next few months. I just know there's gonna be a lot of content, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you hung in all the way to the end, comment below. I watched the whole thing because I know that footage was super old, there wasn't a whole lot going on, and I just wanted to share it. So thank you guys for just kind of following me on this journey over the past couple of years. And I look forward to a kick-ass 2019. Everybody go have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you next week after a short break so I can spend it with fam. Later, guys.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night